The message is really simple. It's really straightforward. And if I was sending it on LinkedIn, I would actually do a little bit, I would offer to do a little bit more of the work, and it would sound like this. Hey, Santosh, you and I are connected on LinkedIn. I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. What's the best number for me to call or text you? By the way, my mobile is 720-660-3202, right? I'm going to give you both options because you'll find they might just put their number in there, right? And then you can call them when you have the number. Hey, Santosh, Matt from LinkedIn, as promised, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I had an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. And then similar to that example that we just went through, it's an idea that has value. The idea is not, hey, if you work with us, life will be great. The idea is, this is what we're seeing in the industry. This is what people that I work with that are in your position are seeing. And not, is that something that you're seeing? It's a guaranteed way to hear a no. How are you dealing with that? And then hopefully give them some value of whether they, that works for them, whether they go with you or not.